Ready, set, go!
Ready?
Woo! Here we go, buddy.
Woo! Nice. Do you like that one, Nolan?
You want to go again?
Do you like that one? Was that one fast? Go!
Go. Try to hold on, Tiff.
Tiffy. What did you do? Is that fun?
I was going.
Do you want to go again?
You want to go with Auntie? Yeah.
Do you want Auntie to go down with you?
Yeah.
Is that fun? Nolan, is that fun?
I will go.
Okay, let's go again. Is that fun, Nolan?
What, you want to go up again? You can carry it.
Oh, I think that's too heavy.
Oh.
Whoa!
You don't want you
Here,
to pull me
I'll
up
take
the
you
hill
up the
with
hill,
that.
Nolan. Come here.
Go see Mike. He'll take
Come
you
here.
up the hill.
Ready?